What is going on, guys? It's the inspection day of the delivery of a new home in Homestead by Lennar. We are doing the first inspection, putting a bunch of blue tape everywhere. We do the first inspection to make sure that all the little details have been taken care of. If we find any paint defects, tile defects, windows, floors, kitchens, anything, it's our time to put a little blue tape, like you can see right there, for them to fix it. And that's what we're doing right now. So it's always recommended to get the property inspected. Even if it's a new property, it's recommended that you inspect the property because there could be things behind the walls that you cannot see, and a property inspector can help you out and find it. Right now we're finishing up the last repairs. Take a look at the kitchen, looks super nice. This property is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom townhome in a Homestead area with a little bit over 1,600 square feet under AC. You got your own private backyard, as you can see right there, and a 1-car garage. It goes up for sale, and there's still incentives for you to buy one of these properties if you want to. Price range is around mid 400,000, so 450, 475, depending on the model. And comes with impact windows and doors, 1-car garage. You can park up to 3 vehicles in the front. And honestly, the finishes are very, very well done. Take a look at the upstairs. Again, if you're buying new construction, I always recommend you get it inspected with your own inspector as well to make sure everything is done nicely. This is the time to do it, so you make sure your property is turned over to you in good shape before you sign on the dotted line. Any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.